Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to write history scripts with ChatGPT. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. So on ChatGPT homepage I'm going to type down write me first, and then let's write down our objective, which is historical script. And finally let's write our subject. I'm going to write down history of Africa, but feel free to use different historical events here. And let's hit enter to create a script. And here's our script. And that's basically how to write historical scripts in ChatGPT. Feel free to change the subject part with different regions, different timelines, or important figures from the history. But that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.